Hi guys, so I am back with another swap reveal, and this swap is from Lisa B, and she has a huge thing for me. She also has a matching one for her swap partner, which I think has actually some goodies in it, so we'll get to that. And then she has her really pretty suitcase here, so let me just open up what is in this packaging for me, and then we will get to the swap because maybe it'll save us from opening some of the things in the swap. So she does have a card here and just thanking me for hosting this awesome swap. She enjoyed crafting everything. Hope she enjoyed everything I made and sent you. Your crafty friend Lisa B. And okay, so here's her Instagram. It's Lisa Baracco 3, but I will put that in the description bar. And then she has some fun stuff in here. Oh boy. I love this purple bag too. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I see a pen, guys. Okay, wait. It's heavy. It's a lot of stuff. So let's do the pen first. So she has this beautiful pen. Oh my goodness. And look how she has these little beads dangling from it. And then also this airplane. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I love these little wraps. I need to get some of these because they just are so pretty. And this pen is beautiful. And then in here, it says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. I do not doubt that. One bit. I love that. Oh, she has some handmade. Oh my goodness, you guys. She has a bunch of handmade goodies in here for me. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so let's, we're gonna do that in a second. So let me show you these high chews. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Love high chews so much. Thank you, thank you. And then we have a package of goodies here. Okay, so I think some of this is some of the stuff that she might have in her swap. So she has a planner agenda, so cute, from DT. And then she has this mini toothbrush, amazing for traveling. Some little sunscreen. Some disinfectant wipes. I do not go anywhere without these, okay? I am a germaphobe. I laugh about it, but it is not funny. This little small travel jar. This little fragrance body spray. So cute. So this little bow nail file. So good. It's nothing worse than having a hangnail on a trip. Some hand sanitizer. This really nice body cream I love. This is called Beauty Cream. Some Burt's Bees chapstick, which I just dropped right here. Carmex, actually, this is Carmex. Sorry for the beep. And then also these really cute things. Oh my gosh, that say reading, do not disturb. Okay, Lisa knows that I love to read. This is me to a T. OMG, so I could wear these as earrings or I could take it apart and use it as a dangle. I love this. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I love reading. I love everything about reading. Let me pause because I think I hear a child coming up here to summon me. Hold on one second. Okay, false alarm. So, okay. So we do have, it looks like almost everything she made in the swap. So we have these rosettes, which are beautiful. And did she use this Mente collection? I think this is Mente Bon Voyage. I think, because I feel like we had someone else use it, but I am not sure. I am not sure. Let us know, Lisa. Look at this. Look at the book. I just came off a vacation, and of course I read like 3 books because that is what I do. That's my idea of vacation, is like sitting at the beach listening to a book, which was so amazing. Look at these. I love this paper. There's mesh, there's yarn or thread, and some of the ephemera from the collection. I'm pretty sure this is Mente, but this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, and did I show her address? We'll see. If I did, I'll cut it out. But this is her memory decks, and her birthday is December 1st. Her favorite colors are pinks, aquas, mints, yellows, and shiny gold. And look at this beautiful camera memory deck. So cute. And I love that she made one for me. Look, she put foam. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This paper is just so pretty. I'm pretty sure this is the Mente Bon Voyage. Bon Voyage. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's French. And she has this really pretty, like all of this is popped up on foam, so it's super sturdy and very thick, and it's so nice. So we have those. We have me and this beef, you guys. My family is always going in and out the door. Here are her shakers. So look, she has this little motel key shaker, so stinking cute. And she has these little sunglasses, which these could be shakers, but she just made them with vellum on the inside of them. And this little motel key shaker is so pretty. Look at the camera in the background and the globe. I love this. Oh my word. And then, oh, she made a little Instax camera with a little Polaroid sticking out. Adorable. Look at this. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And again, everything is so sturdy. And I love that this is like a picture of a camera. It's so cute. And then we have our Stanley. I live with my me and my Stanley are never far apart from each other. I actually have one right here. I just got this Halloween one. I always have a water thing right next to me. This is To Travel Is To Live. It's so pretty. I got some of these too. And look at this, just beautiful. The paper is just stunning. It says Wanderer. So pretty and so sturdy. You guys, look at this. Look how cute. Wait. This is a dress. And I think this is a Scrap Diva die. And let's just put this little guy right back on here. She has these beautiful, my favorite flowers, these pretty flowers that Lori from Creating for Fun makes. And there's also a punch that makes them. And this is just the prettiest dress. I would wear this dress in real life. It is so pretty. It is a map covered in flowers. And again, super duper thick and just so pretty. Just perfect to put on a project. Like, you could make this into a card. You could like put this on something. Like, she could have decorated her suitcase with this. Like, so many things. And then we have these hats. This is a Chaos Craft die. I love this die. It reminds me so much of Maggie Holmes. Maggie Holmes has a collection called Pretty Picnic and has these little, almost these exact hats in her collection. And look how pretty these are. And I just came off a trip and I packed a hat because you need one. It helps you so much from the sun. These are so, so pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the tags. So these look like luggage tags. They're that style of tags. And they are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love handmade goodies. Oh my goodness. So look at this. Look how pretty this is. So this is a larger one, and then she has two smaller ones down here. This one is she actually made into a shaker. Look how pretty, and she just did it with seed beads. So pretty. I love. And look what she did, guys. She made bag toppers, but she already has the bag. She has the backing and everything ready for you to use. So she made this ticket bag topper that says admit one. This is a Chaos Craft die. And she has this really pretty Tim Holtz rosette. And she has mesh on here, thread, this beautiful airplane that's like vintage looking. So pretty. And it's literally ready for you to just like stick your item in. I've never seen anyone do bag toppers with the whole bag and everything. That's just like so perfect. And then look at this one. This is her second bag topper. And this one is a cruise ship. And it says Let's Discover. She has this mesh on here, this really pretty map paper. And again, it's just ready to go. Oh my goodness. And look, we have some die cuts. And these are mine. So they're not even these. I'm talking about it like it's the swap because I'm pretty sure a lot of this is very similar to what she has in her swap. So okay, I see some makeup ideas, some makeup goodies in here. So here is some things you need to pack. So of course you have your compact with your mirror. So cute. Eyelash curler. Your facial serum. That's what I think that is. It could be lotion, but to me that has the top of like a serum. Some lipstick, a compact mirror. This is so cute. This to me looks like lip gloss. I know that could be mascara, but I think it's lip gloss. A little like mirror stand. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And we have this back here, which is the other piece of the lip gloss, what I'm calling lip gloss. It could be mascara, but I think it looks like a lip gloss applicator. Then we have this, which is a little nail file. These are so tiny. Oh, the amount of work. Here, this could be our mascara. And then look at this little brush. And then look at our little eyebrow brush. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Oh man, they're adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay. These are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna clean all this stuff up and then I'll be right back with her swap, which probably has similar items, but here's a close-up of all these goodies. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, something else I forgot to mention that was in the package are these cute stickers that she grabbed for me. These are so pretty. They're like travel themed. And then this passport, which is just adorable. It's actually a Christmas ornament, guys. And you know what? I took a big trip this year. So I think it is very appropriate for me to put a Christmas ornament of a passport on here. And I took my babies out of the country for the first time too. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Look at you guys, this is Santa's passport. I cannot. Adorable. Look at all the stamps. Of course, he's been everywhere. What a cute touch. And then also this little thing that says, are we there yet? so cute. Thank you so much, Lisa. I appreciate it so much. I really do. Okay, so now let's get into, this was just stuff she got for me. I'm pretty sure that some of the crafty items are similar in her swap, but here is her beautiful swap. And she put this in here so that it will not, this won't bend. Look how pretty this is. So she has all of the ephemera on here. You guys, so pretty. And she has this little airplane on top of her little luggage straps, this compass right here. And it is so pretty. She has this pretty mesh that goes so well. There's a doily back here, some more of that snow tulle, this little tag from the collection, which I think is actually, I don't know, it looked like a card, but it's not. She has so much stuff in here, you guys. Look, it's layered on top of like foam galore. And these pretty, pretty flowers. And look at it all the way around. So, so pretty. Oh my goodness. So let's open it up. Okay, so she put her high chew, her little snack in here. And then she also says the same warning, this will cause extreme happiness. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to actually open it from the side so that I can kind of leave it intact. But I'm pretty sure that a lot of these are very similar, but we'll just double check. I think it is though. Just in case. Because I hate when, like, you know, sometimes you're like, people are doing swap reveals and they assume something and it's like, oh no, my whole swap was different in there. Anyway, this is so pretty, this paper on the inside. And so far it seems to be exactly the same. So we have the same die cuts, we have the same rosettes, the tags are the same. Yeah, so this is pretty much exactly the same as what she gave me. Oh my gosh, so generous. Even all the way to the little crafty gift in the back is the same. So this is, she made me basically an entire swap without like the suitcase, which we talked about how someone in the chat talked about, like, Lisa, what are you gonna do with like 40 suitcases? I'm like, I didn't even think about that. Like, if everyone made me a hostess gift out of a suitcase, I would have so many suitcases, which would be fine, but I appreciate getting the goodies without the suitcase. So I'm gonna actually very neatly put this back and I'll be right back. Okay guys, there was one thing in there that was different than mine, and there are these really pretty gems. So this will be in the swap partners package. That was a little different, but everything else was exactly the same. So I did manage to put this back together, and Lisa did such a good job. She actually put this, her luggage, inside of a box inside of her swap, so there was no chance of it getting like all crushed up in the mail, which you guys know the mail, they do not respect our swappy stickers that we put on it that say like fragile, be careful. They don't care. Okay, so some other stuff that she has in her swap partners bag is this cute, oh my gosh, adorable book bag. And she did make you a package of the same goodies that she made for me, but she also added in this really cute like jewelry case. So look, it has 4 separate pouches in there to store your jewelry, and they're detachable. How cute is this? Look how cute this is. So that's sealed, so I'm not gonna go through that. And then she also included in here a little backpack, which is so cute. I had a few people ask about, like, you know, making additional dies and stuff, and that is totally fine. So she has some, I see that passport goodie in there, that Christmas ornament, which is great. But she also has some other stuff in here. So let's see. It feels like it's taped on here. Okay, it's not. So this just opens up, and she has a few added items in here. So she has this adorable 3D book bag. She has that pen, and then she made you a little luggage thing that she put the little ornament in, and she also gave you a nail file with this little nail file holder. So cute. So some extra goodies in here for you. Okay, and then the pen, which is the same. It's so cute. And then look at this, you guys. Look how cute this is. She made this 3D book bag, and it is so pretty. Oh my word. And it has something inside. Inside it has, oh, so she put some of the travel goodies. So she put some nail polish and one of these little containers that you can put your little creams and ointments, because they're small. These are less than an ounce. So how cute though that you put it in here, and the little nail polish. And bringing nail polish is such a good idea because sometimes like you break a nail or your nails chip. So while you're on vacation, this is so cute. It's neon. Perfect for me all the time, but especially for Halloween. So that was so sweet. Lisa, thank you so much for joining another one of my swaps. And it is such a joy, and you really went above and beyond. I know whoever gets your swap is going to be so, so happy. So you guys, make sure you go follow Lisa on Instagram. I don't think she has a YouTube channel. But if she does, I'll link it. But I don't think she does. But I will put her Instagram handle in the description bar like I always do. And make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any more of our crafty reveals that we have coming up. So this travel swap is just so much fun. And we have so many amazing swaps coming up. So make sure you're subscribed. And I will see you in the next crafty video. Bye.